Today I'm working on an Asus Republic of Gaming GU502L laptop, and the customer was complaining that it's overheating, and to the point that you can feel the deformation from heat on the bottom. So I disassembled the computer, removed the heatsink, and that's how it looks. You see? The heatsink is completely clogged and has to be cleaned up. Yeah, it's too much dust. And what about the fans? And same story with the fans. This side and this side. Yeah. So cleaning the fans and replacing the thermal paste on the chips will fix it. Okay.